Welcome back to my YouTube channel Suraksha Kavach, co-sponsored by Global Insurance Advice Services Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. Startup India, Stand Up India. Suraksha Kavach. दोस्तों, the future of insurance from disruption to evolution. आज मैं आपसे बात करूंगा E-Flight Coupon Insurance. E-Flight Coupon Insurance क्या होता है? And this is the policy by New India Assurance Company Limited. आइए इसकी जानकारी लेते हैं. Highlights in the policy: passengers' flights, insurance coupons cover death, permanent disability, and any bodily injury caused by violent, accidental, external, or visible means, vessels in or entering into or descending from any aircraft owned and operated by regular airlines, were a scheduled route by which the insured is traveling as a passenger during the flight specified. The scale of benefits is shown in the standard policy form prescribed for this class of insurance. Expression in the policy: war and allied perils. If arising vessels, the insured is under the influence of intoxicants or is suffering from lunacy or insanity. If arising from disobedience of instructions of aircraft crew, aircraft owners or operators, or the agents or servants. Accidental deaths of the insured shall not be presumed by reason of his disappearance. The insurance is not valid if the insured is under 12 years of age or is over 70 years of the age. आप इस पॉलिसी को लेने के लिए हमें कॉल कर सकते हैं. मेरा दिए नंबर 87889037. राजन तावड़े, संजीत तिवारी, पटना ऑफिस. उम्मीद करता हूँ आपकी दी जानकारी पसंद आई होगी. इस जानकारी ज़्यादा शेयर करिए, लाइक करिए. हमारे फेसबुक, हमारे इंस्टाग्राम ग्लोबल एडवाइजरी, यूट्यूब पे हमें फॉलो करिए और इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए. दोस्तों, जैसे आप जानते हो, अभी फ़िलहाल हाल ही में अहमदाबाद का एक बड़ा एयरप्लेन दुर्घटना हुई. उसके बाद अमेरिका में भी बड़ी दुर्घटना हुई. दोस्तों, लाइफ का कोई भरोसा नहीं है, कभी क्या दुर्घटना हो जाए. सिक्योर करिए अपनी लाइफ को, हमें कॉल करिए. थैंक यू वेरी मच.